Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about visa stamp alterations and how Thai immigration is not messing around when it comes to enforcement of immigration law, especially as it pertains to forgery of immigration documentation. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Immigration Issues Stern Warning After Arrest of Two Chinese Nationals for Passport Stamp Forgery. You know, and it's, interestingly enough, I'm making a video contemporaneously with this one discussing, we've seen a lot of news reports, a lot of weird stuff going on with Chinese nationals down here. And I made a video about a year ago, maybe a little longer, where, the Chinese were saying, oh, Thailand's unsafe. We want our own police to patrol the Thailand streets with the Thai police, which I thought was a terrible idea. National Police Chief tended to think the same way. And, I think everybody in Thailand thought it was a bad idea, and it promptly got, sort of just, that did not happen. But, one, anybody that's ever lived here for any prolonged period of time knows Thailand is not unsafe, but meanwhile, we see all these reports of Chinese nationals down here getting up to God knows what. That said, quoting directly, the Thai Immigration Bureau, Immigration Police Division 1, issued a stern warning to all tourists and foreign residents following the arrest of two Chinese nationals involved in forging official entry stamps on passports to unlawfully extend their stay in Thailand. Quoting further, the case began in Bangkok when Taiwanese national Mr. Tai, age 40, accompanied Chinese national Mr. Zhang. Now, I thought they were all sort of the same thing. It's that whole one China, two systems or whatever, but whatever. Age 39, to apply online for a work visa extension. Immigration officers found irregularities in Mr. Zhang's passport entry stamp, which originally permitted a 60-day tourist stay and legally did not allow further extensions. Officers advised Mr. Zhang to either leave the country or apply for the appropriate visa type in person. However, upon Mr. Zhang's in-person submission of his passport, immigration officers discovered tampering with the entry stamp. The original notation had been altered to non-IB in an attempt to justify a longer stay. Yeah, look, to any would-be immigration forger, just because you write something in your passport or change something on the stamp, it doesn't mean it's going to reflect that way in the immigration computer. This is all digitized. And by the way, it's all tied together with biometrics. So, I don't know what you're trying to do here, but it's pretty foolish, frankly, because, they can see your real status in the system. And now they can, and by handing over your documentation to them, you yourself forged, they can now see that you've forged it. So that's kind of a problem. Quoting further, Mr. Zhang denied involvement in the forgery, attributing it to Mr. Tsai, who admitted to altering the stamp. Both men were charged, Mr. Tsai with forging an official travel document, Mr. Zhang with using a forged document. They have been turned over to the prosecution for legal action. I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article in Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com for more details. But yeah, look, Thai immigration does not mess around with forgery of their stamps, and moreover, it's a pretty bad idea to forge Thai immigration stamps and then hand them over to Thai immigration themselves. And then on top of that, as I previously stated, it doesn't change anything in the digital system regarding your record and regarding your recordation of status anyway. So, don't know what was being tried here. Now, again, as I get into in another video, I don't get why these issues seem to be cropping up, especially in the context of Chinese nationals. That being said, we'll certainly be keeping people updated on this channel as the overall situation evolves.